Hey everyone, I got this Fabskin brand Wax Strips, so let's check it out. In this pack, you get actually two packs. Each pack has 70 strips, so total 140 Wax Strips. MRP is 200 and we got it from Amazon for just 179, meaning each single strip will cost you rupees 1.25 only, and the buying link is given in the description box. These are made up of non-woven fabric material and it's quite strong, does not tear at all during waxing. Their size is slightly bigger than the standard ones. Just keep in mind they are only plain cloth strips. Wax is not pre-applied on them, so you need to apply hot wax separately. My experience, its grip is strong. When you apply it on wax and pull it, it removes all hair in one go without slipping. And it has a strong and thick fabric, so you can easily use the same strip for 3-4 times. And overall, I think 179 for 140 pieces, it's absolutely steal deal. Definitely worth try. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.